Why are you doing this?
I like everything to be in order.
Oh yeah, like on your Mac?
Haha, it's not that easy.
Come on, I'll show you something.
How did you do that?
It's easy with the Mosaic app. And here is the full story from the Mosaic developers.
Hey everyone, this is Neil from Lightpillar, the developer of Mosaic. Mosaic actually started life in 2010 as a development tool. We were new to the Mac platform back then, and we were frustrated with resizing and repositioning all of the applications and documents that we were using. So we decided to write a simple drag and drop interface so we could more efficiently work without having to remember lots of keyboard shortcuts. It wasn't long before we realised the potential of this tool, so we released it on the Mac App Store under the name WindowTidy. This next generation version of WindowTidy was relaunched in January 2017 under the new name Mosaic, and it was at this time that we started to hear about this brand new service called Setapp. As we now approach Mosaic's first year anniversary, we are currently working on a service update to take into account all of the great feedback that you've given us so far, and shortly afterwards we'll be rolling out a major update that includes lots of exciting new features and functionality. We thank you very, very much for all of your support and your feedback during this first year, and we look forward to continue making Mosaic the best we possibly can, and we hope you continue to enjoy using it. Thank you.
Mosaic is what I need right now.
Thumbs up if you liked Mosaic and subscribe to Setapp channel for more apps to come.